kharaja. Are you with me? What did you tell me? He left. Okay. He left. Fine. Brother, what is the Arabic of he, huwa? Is huwa there? Where is it then? Brother, this is a verb. What is it? Huwa. What is the verb? Action. If there is an action, there is always a doer of action. Action cannot take place without someone doing it. Are you with me? If action takes place without someone doing it, then it is a miracle. Only Allah can do miracles. For us to do something, we have to do an action. Huh? Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So, whenever there is an action, there has to be a doer of action. What is it? Doer of action. Fine. What is action called in Arabic? Fi'alun. What is fi'alun? Verb. Huh? Verb. Okay. And the doer of action is called in Arabic? Fa'ilun. What is it called in English? Subject. What is it called in English? Subject of the verb. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Huh? Whenever, Brother Abdul Qadir, there is a verb, there has to be the subject, brother. Huh? They have a special relationship. Okay, the verb cannot exist without a subject. They both are always together. Is it clear, brothers and sisters? Yeah? Fine. So, kharaja. Okay, you translated as he left, but I don't see huwa there. I said it has to be there. Where is it, Sister Salma? The doer of the action is hidden inside the verb. What is it? It's hidden inside the verb. So we call it, where is the file? I ask you the question, where is the file? You will say, mustatir. What will you say? Mustatir. What is the meaning of mustatir? It's hidden. Where is it hidden? Inside the verb. Our mind can see, but our eyes cannot see. Are you with me, brother? Where is the file? Is mustatirun. Mustatirun. What is the English, brother? Hidden. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Where is the file in kharaja? Where is the file in kharaja? It is mustatir. What will you tell me?
Mustatir.
Or you can say, for the first few days you can say hidden. Later on we'll say mustatir. Huh? Okay. In what form is the file mustatir? It's damir, pronoun. Huh? He. Kharaja. Huh? Huwa kharaja. Huh? So damir mustatir. Pronoun which is hidden. Huh? See, because it is he left. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Kharaja, what is the meaning in English? He left. So he is a damir. Is a pronoun. So pronoun is hidden. So for he is damir. So if I say kharaja, where is the file? Damirun mustatirun. Damirun mustatirun. Means the file is in the form of a damir and it is hidden. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Okay, now I want to tell you something very special about verbs, brother. I'm so glad that you're all here, and I'm going to tell you things you may not find in the books. Huh? Some of the explanation, when you think and you work hard, and when you stumble and you again work hard, and then things become clear to you, brothers and sisters. The detailed explanation you will not find. Only a teacher can guide you. Okay, brothers and sisters. So I have to again say something to you, brothers and sisters. Everything good that I say is from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If my feeble mind makes any mistakes, that is the fault of myself. Okay? And if I will make some mistakes, I may not be 100% perfect in my explanation. And if I am not, you will all forgive me, brother. But inshallah, Allah will guide me. Allah will help me to make it easy to explain to you. And Allah will make it easy for you to understand it, inshallah. Fine. Now we come to the most important thing. Look at kharaja. How many letters? 3 letters. Kha, ra, and then jeen. Okay. Kharaja is a verb. 3-letter verb. All the verbs in Arabic language can be traced to the root of 3 letters. All the verbs. Okay? 99 point, maybe you say 5%, 99.5%, they are all 3 letters. What is 0.05%? They are 4-letter verbs. Okay? And I just tell you, because some of you are Urdu speaking, so I tell you, you know the word tarjama? What is the meaning of tarjama? To translate. See, tarjama. How many letters? So that is a 4-letter word. Are you with me? Okay. And in the Qur'an, you are very familiar with the word waswasa. What is it? 4-letter word. But there are very few. Again, one more example I give you. Zalzala. What is the meaning of zalzala? To shake. Okay, so what is zalzala? 4-letter verb. But there are few. 99.5% verbs are 3-letter verbs. Brothers and sisters? 3-letter verbs. You can trace it back. Take any verb in the Arabic language and you can go back to its root of 3 letters. So what scholars of Arabic language have done, they have given this a pattern. What is the pattern? Fa, a, la. That is the pattern. And it comes from fi'al. It comes from fi'al. What is it? Every verb in Arabic language has this pattern. What is the pattern? Fa'ala. Fa'ala. But Abdul Qadir, very few people will go in this much detail. So you learn properly and inshallah you will, then explain to others all these things, Fa'ala. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So in the word, in any verb, brothers and sisters, the root, we can go to the fa'ala. Okay? Now we call it kha as a fa kalima. What do you call it? Fa kalima. Are you with me? Fa kalima. And what will you call ra? Ain kalima. And what will you call ja? So 3 letters. Take any verb. It will be fa kalima, ain kalima, and lam kalima. But But because we live in a society which speaks English all the time, and then we have to teach our children these things, so we can also refer to in the English language. What is this called in English? First radical. What is it called? First radical. First radical. Are you with me? What do you call it? First radical. Okay, if this is first radical, what is this? And what is this? Third radical. Always so. The root of the verb is either in three radicals, first, second, and third radical. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Or if you go to Arabic, fa kalima, ain kalima, and lam kalima. Any verb that you take, brother. Any verb. I am so happy to meet some of my students, brother. When we sit down and do analysis of the Quran, we pick up a sentence in the Quran and we try to analyze it and understand how the sentence was constructed. And you come across verb, and these students are able to trace it back to the root. It's so beautiful, brother. Inshallah, you will do it. You will all become expert. You and I, we may not speak Arabic fluently, but we will become master of Arabic verbs. Inshallah. We will know Arabic verbs left and right. And brother, people run away from Arabic verbs. They say Arabic verbs, baap re baap. I did not say bob re bob. I said baap re baap. Oh, it's difficult. No, brothers and sisters, Arabic words are beautiful. They are fascinating. They are enjoyable. They are vast. How vast they are? You can take Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean, join them together in vastness. Arabic verbs are more vast than Pacific and Atlantic Ocean joined together. But they are fascinating, and we are going to learn, okay? Now, kha, ra, ja. What is it, brother? Kharaja? What do I put on the first kalima? Fa kalima? Fatah. What do I put on the ain kalima? Fatah. And what did I put on the lam kalima? Fatah. Are you with me? Fatah, fatah, fatah. First radical fatah, second radical fatah, third radical fatah. Now, I write down another verb. Za, ha, and ba. Are you with me? Za, ha, ba. Okay. Do you see the pattern? Fa kalima fatah, ain kalima fatah, lam kalima fatah. Sahi? Then I say ja, la, sa. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? What is it? Fatah, fatah, fatah. Then I write down one more word. Ra, ja, a. These are the four verbs in your book 1, that's all. But we are going to do about 50 of them. Before we go to book 2, you will have a good idea, so that in book 2, brothers, when the verbs will come, we will be ready to face them. See, Dr. Abdurrahim has a policy. He does not mix things. He only explains one rule or one aspect of the Arabic grammar beautifully, so that you understand very well. When you go to, when he explains you that aspect, he brings everything together. So when he will explain us the verbs in book 2, they will come to us in wholesale. The floodgates will be open and they will all come together. But inshallah, we'll be ready to take them. Fine, brother. Kharaja, zahaba, jalasa, raja'a. Huh? Fa kalima, ain kalima, lam kalima. Okay. This is an outline that I am giving you, brother. Okay. This will help you later on, and we'll be repeating again. Now I come to a very nice verb. What is it, brother? Sama'a. The verb is samia. He heard. What is the verb? Samia. He heard. Huh? So, samia. Do you see any difference, brother? Ain kalima, brother. Now we'll say ain kalima. Second radical got a kasra. First radical and the third radical remained fatha. Are you? Now I write down one more. Huh? What did I write down, brother? Karuma. What did I write down? Karuma. Huh? Karum. The karim comes from karuma. Karuma. He became kind, or he became generous. Okay? Karuma. What difference do you see, brother? Tamma, where? Ain kalima. Second radical. In other words, brother, from this example, I can tell you that the 3-letter root verb, Brother Hassan, will always have fa kalima fatha. Always, don't you see? No change. And lam kalima will have fatha. But the ain kalima can have fatha, can have kasra, can have dhamma. In other words, the action is taking place on the ain kalima. Otherwise, fa kalima and lam kalima will always stay fatha. Are you with me? This is a rule that will help you, brother, later on. It will never change. But ain kalima can change. It can have these 3 vowel signs. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Yeah. It will have 3 vowel signs. So I want you to understand that the action takes place on the ain kalima. Fa kalima and lam kalima will always be fatha till the end of the time. Okay? Fine, brothers and sisters? You'll keep that in mind? Fine.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to like the video, and to turn on notifications.
أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن ترتيلا إنا سنلقي عليك قولا ثقيلا